Hello guys, I'm gonna start a new series in which I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know to get started programming with Python. Now Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there and by far one of the most sought after for jobs. So if you are trying to get a job or automate your life, or you want to write awesome scripts to do a bunch of different things, then Python is for you. Honestly, more and more developers every day are moving their projects to Python because it's such a powerful and such a easy to use language. A lot of programming languages out there just aren't very beginner friendly. There's a lot of syntaxes, there's a lot of like little things that if you get wrong the program will yell at you. You just basically just type what you want to in Python does. It's simply there's not a whole lot of syntax to learn. The learning curve is literally zero. You jump in, you can start writing your first program in seconds. In this course, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know to get started with Python. I designed this course especially for Python, and each lesson will be designed with examples that will help you along the way. My name is Sukhpreet. Today I am going to teach you how to install Python and Pycharm. So we will start installing Python, and we are also going to install a text editor that we can use to write our programs. So let's install Python first. So we will open our browser. As you can see over here, you just have to go to this website, python.org. When the website loads, you just have to click download latest Python 3.8.3. Just click on it, scroll down to the end of the web page. Then there's a lot of versions. In my case, I will use this version, Windows x86-64 executable installer. Don't use web-based installer if you are a beginner. You just have to download this file. So after downloading the Python exe, you have to install. You have to click on install now. Don't click on customize installation unless you know what you're about to do. So I already installed it, so I'm not going to install again. So I will cancel it. So you have to go to another website that I'm going to do, jetbrains.com/Pycharm. You have to go to this website. I will link the website down below in the description. I know you can use the basic Python ideally, which comes with the installation of Python, but I will suggest you install Pycharm because it tells you where the code is wrong and even suggests you the correction of it. You will see in the course later how it helps. To install Pycharm, you have to go to this link that I have mentioned in the description. Then click on download over here. Then select your OS, Windows, Mac and Linux. You can also download the professional version, but if you are a beginner, community version, open source version is enough for you. Just click on download and you will redirect it to this page. Just wait for it to download it, or it will automatically start downloading, and then choose your file path and just click on save. So after downloading, you just have to open the executable file. You just have to click on yes in Windows. I don't know about Mac or Linux as I didn't use them. So after opening the setup, just click on next. I will not install it again as I already installed it, and it is telling me to uninstall the previous version, so I will not install it again. You just have to click on next and install to its path directory. So that is it for today, and in my next episode I will teach you the basics of the Python. I hope you will enjoy this series, so stay tuned for more updates, and as always, stay creative. That's alright.